Divine healing codes are a quantum tool used for healing. They can change your reality on the quantum level. The basic premise of divine healing codes is that numbers are nature's way of communicating. For example, the Fibonacci sequence of numbers is a geometrical proportion that is found everywhere in nature, from how flowers grow to the shape of the universe. There are 4 really simple ways to use them. Number 1. Writing it directly on the part of the body that has discomfort, or writing it on a sticker and placing that sticker on the body where there's discomfort. Number 2. Writing it in the air over the part of the body that has discomfort. Number 3. Typing out the number on your phone or tablet and then holding that device over the body part. Number 4. Focusing your intention on the part of the body where there's discomfort while repeating the number to yourself. These codes are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are under a doctor's care, or feel as though you need to be under a doctor's care, please seek the advice from a doctor before attempting to replace any treatment.